In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a domain in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Verifying a domain in Jira is a crucial step for any organization looking to enhance its security and manage its projects more effectively. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Jira organization account. Make sure you're using an administrator profile because you'll need those permissions to proceed with the verification process. Take a moment to log in and settle in. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings. Go ahead and click on that. This icon is your gateway to a wide array of configuration options for your Jira setup. Now that you're in the settings, you need to navigate to the administration section. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see an option labeled Billing. This acts as a shortcut to various organization-level settings. Click on Billing, and it'll take you to a new page. From there, look to the top left corner of your screen, where you'll see the link to Administration. Select that option to dive deeper into your settings. With the administration settings now open, it's time to add your domain. Look for the option that says Verify Domain. This is where the verification process begins. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your primary domain. For example, if your company's website is yourcompany.com, go ahead and type that in. After you've entered your domain, make sure to hit the Save button to register it within Jira. Now you'll need to choose a verification method. You typically have a couple of options here: verifying via a DNS-TXT record or through email-based confirmation. It might be wise to choose the method that you feel most comfortable with. If you choose to verify via DNS, you'll need to copy the provided TXT value. Head over to your domain's DNS provider settings and paste that value in. It usually takes a few minutes for the DNS changes to propagate, so be patient. Once you've added the TXT record, don't forget to return to Jira, as this is just one part of the verification process. On the other hand, if you opted for email verification, you'll need to follow the prompts to receive a verification email. Make sure that the email address you're using is one that's approved for your domain, because that's crucial for confirming ownership. After you've chosen your method and completed the necessary steps, you're almost there. Review the summary of your submission to ensure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied with the information, submit the details. Now, you'll want to watch as the status indicator updates. It might take a little time, but eventually you should see your domain marked as successfully verified. This is a significant step, not just for security, but also for streamlining your project's management in Jira. And that's it. You've successfully verified your domain in Jira. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please